Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the effect of heat on matter and also how the ice cube gets converted into water and how the water gets converted into water vapor. So and how the candle gets converted into liquid state and how the water gets converted into water vapor and also why is iron heated? Why the iron is heated? So what is the reason behind this? All those things we discussed here in this class. Okay. So before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay. So in last class we discussed about the change in state of a matter. So when an object is heated, so there will be a rise in its hotness. The state of matter changes due to heat. So here ice cube gets converted into water, so due to heating, and also water gets converted into water vapor due to heat, and water vapor also gets converted into water due to cooling, and water also gets converted into ice due to cooling. So then what is meant by change in state of substance means some matter changes its state from one form to another, so due to heat. This is called as change in state of a substance. Okay, I will once again repeat it. Matter changes its state from one form to another due to heat. This is called as change in state of a substance. Okay, so here on heating solids gets converted into liquid. So further again the solid gets converted into gas upon heating, and gas also converted into liquid upon cooling, and liquid also gets converted into solid upon cooling also. So here example ice cube is in a solid state. It gets converted into water, so due to heating. And water is a liquid state. Here water gets converted into water vapor upon heating. So again water vapor is gets converted into water upon cooling, and water gets converted into ice cube upon cooling. So okay, here four phenomena that are involved. Here ice cube gets converted into water. So here melting. Okay, next water gets converted into water vapor. Here evaporation. Water vapor gets converted into water. Here condensation process involves, and also water gets converted into ice cube. Here the process of freezing involved. Okay. Effect of heat on a matter as shown in the picture. So this is a picture. Okay. Fix a metallic ring to a stand. So this is fix a metallic ring to a stand so that a bulb can just pass through it. Take a pendulum of an iron bulb, okay, and try to pass it through the ring. Okay, so did the bulb pass through the ring? Now heat the iron bulb. So okay, so this is picture indicates when we are heating the iron bulb, okay, and pass it through the ring. So then the iron bulb is easily passed through the ring because here the substance changes due to heat. Okay, the shape of the substance changes due to heat. Okay, here melting, the process of melting is involved. So now let us see another activity. So place an ice cube on a plate for a 10 minutes. So this is an ice cube. So we are placed on a plate for 10 minutes. So then what happened? Okay, so in the second picture the ice cube gets melted. Why the ice cube gets melted? Due to heat only. Okay, and ice cube gets converted into water. Okay, so here you write what did you notice? Is there any change in the ice cube? You write here. So here ice cube gets converted into water, so upon or due to heating or upon heating. Okay, here solid state changes into liquid state. Here ice cube is in a solid state, So here water is in a liquid state. Okay, and let us see another activity. So okay, take a small glass bottle filled with colored water up to half of its volume. So take a small glass bottle filled with a colored water up to half of its volume and close it with a single word cork. Okay, so this is in a single word cork. Here single word cork, and insert a thin transparent tube inside the bottle. So this is in a thin transparent tube, so that is insert in the bottle, glass bottle. Okay, so now roll the glass bottle between your palms as shown in the picture. See here, so now roll the glass bottle between your palms as shown in the picture. Observe the water level in the tube and write here. Okay, so here the water gets, okay, the water gets converted into water vapor due to heat. So here heat is generated by the, so rolling up palms. Okay, between rolling up glass bottle between our palms. So okay, here water gets converted into water vapor, that's why the level of water is decreases. Okay, so I will once again repeat it. Here water gets converted into water vapor, that's why the level of water gets decreases. Okay, so here how the water gets converted into water vapor means, here the heat is generated by palms. Okay, and also what is the change that has taken place inside the bottle? So due to rubbing by palms. Why? So due to rubbing by palms, the heat is generated so inside the bottle and water gets converted into water vapor. So that's why the level of water so inside the bottle decreases. Okay, from the above activity we understood that the matter gets changed when heated. So from this activity we are concluded that the matter gets changed when heated. So here matter expands on heating. Okay, here matter expands on heating, hence solids, liquid and gases are expand on heating. Okay, so let us see with the example. Write what happens when the following objects are heated. So here candle gets converted, here candle is a solid state, so it gets converted into liquid state due to heating. Okay, so rice in a cooker. So here also the rice changes in a cooker due to so heated, and water also gets converted into water vapor so due to heating. Okay, in next class we discuss more things. Thank you.